So currently right now, Alex is asleep. It's 11 o'clock. Usually he's awake before me. So I say let's wake him up. Oh my god, there's a fire. Oh my god, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Why are you so sleepy? Why are you so sleepy? Wake up. Wake up. Your friend Brady called. Why don't you go down to the park? Get up, and say hi to the camera. I guess he's really tired today. Guess I'll just go see a movie by myself. Hold on. Hey guys, you're not gonna believe it. We had a tornado right beside us. You gotta check this out. Look at the tree. All of our power's out.
My bike's okay.
This is hilarious.
Everything's okay. The keys, did you not get?
Okay, I need to call Blendon office.
Yeah, I know, because we're gonna be out with power for a while. Until they get that.
Didn't you see my friend?
For all of our viewers out there, yes, we are idiots.
I wasn't.
Should have came with me. Because you're lucky if that tornado hit down, you would have had to at least been in the red or the blue or the yellow tubes up there. That would have been your safest bet.
Hello?
And don't, I bet that thing
Hey
went down.
Sally, this is Sheila and 40. And there's the tree right behind our apartment is down. Because we called him and we couldn't get a hold of him.
You don't get
And
this
as I
in Lubbock.
came across,
at
I
all.
could see a funnel.
Look at this.
And all of these trees flew and hit. I don't know if it damaged your car or not.
The wind just took back the door.
Yeah, I went looking for Alex, and guess what? I found him running down the road. Careful, Alex! Don't his window out. Car window.
Oh,
He
you
put a
guys got to
plastic
see
over
this.
it.
This is horrible. This tornado. Hold on, I got to show you this. Go, 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 go. Ah. Oh my God! Check this out. Where did it break?
Look at that guy's window.
Oh, that guy's window's gone.
Be careful, guys. The light pole snapped in half. Power wire hanging down.
Oh, watch out. Go around. Around this way. Come on. This way. Oh my. That tree is completely gone. Oh man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. I'm more worried about the pole lines hanging out from over there. I'm waiting for all these cars to pass. Oh my stupid truck's in the way. I'm not gonna get it. Oh my. Looks like some people are moving these branches because I don't see any of these trees broken off.
No, these branches all blew from the other trees.
Oh. That makes more sense. I'm an idiot.
That guy's got his sump.
Oh, look at that guy.
I feel bad. The guy had to put a big black trash bag on his window and everything.
Yeah, he had to put like a big old trash bag on his window.
This is horrible.
This is the worst. Texas. I'll think that.
We don't get any of this in Texas.
Look at all that shit.
Whoa, look at
Trees down there. Look at that. The tree fell on that car. Busted the hell out of that car.
I wonder if the window's broken.
Jeez Louise. If that shit would have touched down, it would have been an F5. Because it was over a mile of damage.
Yeah, look how much destruction it did, and it didn't touch down. I thought it touched down when you told me.
No, I could see it. That's what I told you. It's a fucking tornado. Look over there.
I was in it too.
Dang, look at that big branch.
God.
We're getting close to where the police
We're
are.
by Timber's house. This is down Timber's house, Mom.
Yep.
Look at that. Completely broken off. Where did it break off
Oh
of?
no, there's another one.
So much for construction on that house. Oh, look at that tree.
Oh,
Man.
we should
Look
go
at
by
that.
Timber's house. Go
Oh.
down here, Mom. Oh, you should turn.
We'll go down there in a minute. Look at this one.
Oh.
Oh. Look at that guy's
Crap.
tree. So much for that. Oh.
Holy crap.
Nice day to walk the dog, huh?
Woo. Man, this is bad. Look at that tree.
Yep, broken.
Any of those branches could have flew and hit you, you'd have been dead.
Because if it flies over a mile, it's going about 70 miles per hour, isn't it?
See, that's about where the damage ended it because it picked up and...
God, it's so...
Still hit pretty close to us, too.
Oh yeah, it went right through that whole area. That's
Oh.
why all those trees
I
and
was
stuff
in
were
it.
down.
Oh,
You're hitting a bunch of trees,
there's a
too.
tire. There's a tire flew by the park. I was in the tornado. My mom had to go.
Look at them.
Yeah.
And their umbrellas.
Look at all those trees. Look at that tree. The whole tree.
Oh, on the house. Oh, that sucks. Which one house is yours?
Mine.
Oh man, that just,
We're from Texas, and man, recent worse.
yeah.
It's worse here.
MOD tonight.
Oh,
God.
that's the end of the tree. And then fell
Tony, hey, Tony.
on that house.
It's Pat. That storm came rolling through.
Man,
Tree down on top of my house.
that sucks. We're from Texas. We don't see any of this at all.
It's down on the road.
You guys are from Texas?
What are you up here for? To eat?
No, to visit my mom. So,
Where do you guys live down there?
huh?
In Blendon Square.
Yeah.
Her phone's dead. She'll call me back. Look at all this.
Look at this. All over a tree.
Man, everybody goes out and looks at it.
Everybody does here. Guy's neighborhood, all the people are out cleaning up the branches. Everybody's working together.
The guy that we saw with the tree that fell on his house, I was like, is this your house? And he goes, yeah, this is my house. He goes, I'm calling in some people to get the tree off of it without doing any more damage to the house.
Holy moly.
Yeah, they all get to
Yeah,
work pretty...
Carla said you couldn't get down her street. Look. I bet you the cars are backed up.
Man, this...
Whoa, look at that.
Look. Animal protection.
No, they always go around.
Oh shit, no. Look at that.
Why'd you say, oh shit, no?
Because I started sneezing.
Oh, so you think you're gonna go on in your sneezing fits again?
Yep.
I like how they all converse on how it happened. It's interesting.
And you
Look
would
at all this. I gotta see if Guy's here so I can say hi to him.
Please don't stop, like, at
I'm
their
not.
house. Look at this guy riding his bike. Hold on, stop, stop. So, fun bike ride? Looks like it's her again.
What happened? Did a tornado hit you?
Man, look at all this. It hit bad through here. After we look at this, we need to head back home. Oh my
cool.
Oh my god.
Oh my freaking god, I'm on my daughter's street. And
They can't even get out of their house.
these people can't even get out of their front door or their garage. The whole tree's blocking their whole front house. Oh my god, it's awful.
Well, at least these people
Get out
work.
and get a picture of that one, a close up.
Well, at least people get out to get the trees off the road.
Well, give me a call when you get home. We're still planning on going at 6:30. I'm heading towards my house. Okay. Bye.
Can't even get out. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that.
Where did that come from? Her tree?
That's our tree, I think. It come off of here. No, that's
Yeah,
there.
right there. I see where it broke through.
Don't you love it?
So, just that. I'm from Lubbock, Texas. Is this a regular thing for y'all? This when it gets bad weather like this?
No, not usually.
No, usually we get.
First time
Like
in my
this.
20 years.
No, we had it a couple years ago.
Well, no, that was
That's
back
a
from
hurricane.
that hurricane
Yeah,
that came up,
yeah.
but it wasn't this.
No, this, we wasn't even supposed to expect rain. No.
Yeah.
Well, cooled it down.
Yeah, it did.
That's good news.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it for good news.
So yeah.
That hurt, that left right there.
Yeah, that one. This whole thing
This
might
is
need to
thin.
come out.
Yeah, they cut so many of those branches.
Well,
the way
you
they
know,
cut 'em
number
off.
one, I have never in my life, and I've knew a guy that used to trim trees years ago. I've never heard of anybody saying you don't trim the top, you just trim the
I
bottom.
know. That's what
That
happened.
is so stupid.
Well, that's what they kept doing with Donnell.
See what?
Ed was like, top of the tree.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
Okay, let's go, because I got to get to the house. Dave and them are going to be coming.
Yeah, I was talking to those little people. I was like, so, I'm a person from Texas. Man, this all looks too delicious.
This tells you what they are, rice noodles.
We're here at the Mongolian restaurant, and now we're gonna watch them cook our food.
Debbie's gonna dance on a little teapot. On three. 1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all seasoned up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me a happy birthday.
Now that's cool. They're amazing singers.
Hey, yo, when he gets back, I'm talking.
So okay, I got my food here with the shrimp and everything. I'm really picky about my shrimp, so I wonder how this is gonna taste. Look at that. That looks delicious. And not to mention that they cooked it in front of us in the same little teapot. That it's gonna taste good. Mom, doesn't that just look delicious?
This is your stuff.
Yeah. Love it.
Alright, for the people who don't know, whenever this storm hit, it was actually a funnel cloud, but it never actually touched down. We were out without power for weeks, and for people who don't know, Ohio went into a state of emergency. So we were without power for actually a while. Otherwise, I would have had this video uploaded that day, but it took me a while to wait for the power to come back on, and we recently just got it back up, and so I went ahead and just put this up just to show some people, look at the destruction a little bit. And during the state of emergency with no power, there were so many places that you could eat at. Since you couldn't cook, you had to find a place that was open and that had power. And if you didn't get to that place fast enough, then you had to take whatever they had left in their storage. So yeah, it was pretty bad, but you know, people will live. So thanks for watching, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.